Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about National Pension System. NPS is a government sponsored voluntary pension scheme launched in 2004 for government employees. However, it was open to all other sections in 2009. This system is implemented and regulated by Pension Fund and Regulatory and Development Authority. Now let us see the eligibility. Any employee who has joined the services of Government of India or a central autonomous body after 1st January 2004 is eligible and mandatorily covered under NPS. It is for except armed forces. Now let us see who can join NPS. Any Indian citizen between age of 18 and 65 years can join NPS. But the condition is he must comply with KYC norms. Also, an NRI can also join NPS. However, the account will be closed if there is any change in the citizenship status of the NRI. Also, NPS provides a permanent retirement account number PRAN, which is a unique number and it remains with the subscriber throughout his lifetime. There is also seamless portability across jobs and across locations. And there are two types of accounts in NPS. Tier 1 account which is non-withdrawable and Tier 2 account which is voluntarily withdrawable account. Some of the recent changes in NPS are mandatory contribution by central government has been increased from existing 10 to 14%. Also, there is freedom of choice for selection of pension funds and pattern of investment of their contribution. The entire withdrawal will now be exempted from income tax as the tax exemption limit for lump sum withdrawal on exit has been enhanced to 60%. Now let us see a previous year question. Who among the following can join the NPS? A. Resident Indian citizens only. This is false because both residents and non-resident Indian citizens can apply. B. Person of ages from 21 to 55 only. This is also false because the age is from 18 to 65. C. All state government employees joining the services after the date of notification by the respective state governments. This statement is true. D. All central government employees, including those of armed forces, joining the services on or after 1st April 2004. This statement is false because the date is 1st January 2004 and the armed forces are not included. Thank you.